are you all? I'm back again. This is another class, pronunciation class. My name is Rich Paz English. The pronunciation I'm going to give you guys today, and the vocabulary as well. If you look at it that way, it's vocabulary plus pronunciation. I want to help people because there are many mistakes that I see in a lot of people that I come across every day, and I want to help you guys as much as I can, okay? So let's go with the first word, and this is all about like states, countries, cities, and things like that, okay? So I want to make sure that you guys say the city right, the state right in English, okay? States, cities, countries, okay? These are some of the problems that I come across every day, okay? Many of my students, they say Texas. No, Texas is Texas. Okay, Dallas is in Texas. Texas is Texas. Don't say Texas, okay? Texas. Okay, number two, one of my favorites as well. Everybody always asks me, where are you from? And I say, I'm from Miami. Many people say, oh, Miami, you're from Miami. No, I'm from Miami. In English, it's Mai-a-mi. I was born in Miami. Okay, number three. I love this one as well. Nueva York is New York, not Nueva York. It's not like you can change the pronunciation and say, oh, it's Nueva York. No, it's New York. One of the coolest cities or one of the coolest states in the United States is actually New York. Nueva York is New York. Number four, Los Angeles. Los Angeles, in English, it's actually Los Angeles. One of the weirdest cities that I've been to, not in terms of the people, I like the people there, is Los Angeles. Los Angeles is a very interesting city. Los Angeles. Okay? Number five, this is one of my favorites as well. Chicago. Chicago is Chicago. Okay? Remember that. If you say Chicago, it sounds kind of strange, don't you think? Chicago? Kind of weird, right? So you should say Chicago. Chicago is a very cold city. Chicago. Not Chicago. Chicago. Okay? Chicago. Number six, Paris. I know somebody who loves Paris. Paris is her favorite city. Paris. No Paris. Paris. See? Paris. Okay? Paris is Paris. Okay? Number seven. I love this one as well. Germany. Germany's Alemania. Germany. Okay? You don't say Aleman. I want to go to Aleman. No. I've seen that many times as well. Aleman? No. I want to go to Germany. Germany is Alemania. Germany. Okay, the next one. Number eight, China. Everyone wants to say China. I'm going to China. No, it's China. Many products are manufactured in China. Muchos productos están manufacturados en China. Number 9, Japan. Japón. I've always wanted to visit Japan. Japón is Japan. Japan. See? Japan. Japan. Okay? Number 10. It's a very common one as well. All you have to say is the US. I'm going to the US. You don't have to say the USA. You just say the US. What is the US? Los Estados Unidos. The US. The US. Okay? Number 11. The UK. The UK. What is it short for? United Kingdom. But we call it the UK. El Reino Unido. The UK. You don't have to say the United Kingdom. You just say the UK. I want to make sure that you guys understand that I try to give you guys English classes in the most practical way. And I think you just have to say the US, the UK. The UK. The UK. Okay? Number 12. Thailand. Thailand. Thailand is Thailandia. Thailandia. Thailand. Thai, like a shirt and tie. Thailand. Only it's not spelled the same, but it's Thailand. Okay? Number 13. I hear this all the time. Moscow. Moscow. I'm going to Moscow. Wow. Putin is really cool. He lives in Moscow. No, it's not Moscow. Moscow is Moscow. It's almost like saying a cow, like a vaca. Moscow. 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 Okay, Russians live in Moscow. Moscow. Okay, Moscow. Number 14. Beijing. 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 It's the same as in Spanish. The only thing is it's a little softer. Beijing. Beijing. In China. Beijing. Okay. Number 15. Holland. Holland is Holanda. Holland. Holland has a very good soccer team. Holland. Holanda is Holland. 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 Okay? Holland is Holanda. Holland. Okay, number 16. Portugal. Portugal. What is Portugal? It's Portugal. Portugal. But you don't say it in English. You don't say Portugal. Portugal. No, it's not Portugal. It's Por-chu-gal. Por-chu-gal. Portugal. 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 Who's from Portugal? Cristiano Ronaldo, right? Cristiano Ronaldo is from Portugal. Portugal. Okay? Number 17. Super common as well. Europe. Europe. What is Europe? Europe is Europa. Europe. 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 Okay? Number 18. Norway. What is Norway? Is Noruega. People just want, they don't even understand. They don't even want to make the effort to say Norway. They just say, oh, that country in the Nordic region. It's Nordic. But no, it's Norway. One of my friends lives in Norway. Norway. Noruega is Norway. Norway. Okay? Number 19. Sweden. Sweden. They always confuse these two countries that I'm going to come up with now. Sweden is Suecia. Sweden. Sweden. Suecia. Sweden. Sweden. And then the last one is Switzerland. Switzerland is Suisa. Switzerland. Suisa. Some of the finest chocolates in the world come from Switzerland. 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 Swit-ser-lend. Switzerland. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Please, if you guys can like and subscribe to this channel, I'm gonna be coming up with other videos as well. I'm gonna be helping you with your pronunciation, with your language skills. I'm gonna try to do some reading exercises, some listening exercises as well. Please stay tuned. Hope to see you guys very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Peace out.